So let's have a look at Form 1 now. You'll notice some of the information on Form 1, for example the organisation name and supplier code. We've already got those pre-set up against this particular report style. Some parts of the form we've got conditional formatting, and that's really just to guide the user to show them that they can actually physically enter information into that particular cell. So let me just go and enter some data. I'll click on save. Now the software controls the other cells and we can actually grab the information off the drawing using optical character recognition. So if I go back to the drawing and this time select part properties, again single left mouse click, drag and then let go, and double left mouse click opens up the part properties. If I double left again, I can actually do a zoom right in against the area that I marked up, and this is where the optical character recognition can actually read the drawing. I picked a drawing deliberately that's not fantastic quality to show you that OCR is very good. It's not a perfect technology, so that when I read the part number it makes a mistake with the number 1 and thinks it's an I. Now we don't push that data straight into the form, we always allow the user to just double check it and then single left mouse click, holding that down and then drag and drop. So now it's in my form. So grab the word cover, this time I'm going to do it without zooming in, and then single left drag and drop. Obviously I can type data directly in. I can either generate a report number or I can just type one in of my choosing. So let me go and enter some more details in here. Okay, so click on OK. Now because I've entered all the information and each of the fields is complete, the region goes green. If I want to remind myself that I need to enter a manufacturing process reference at some later point because I don't yet know it, then I leave that field blank, and that will populate whatever forms you've got pointing at that data set. So all the forms will get their header information updated. Now we can also sign off a form. Okay, so if I click on insert signature and then select and type in my password, it will drop my signature into a particular area. Now this is cut, copy and paste disabled, and it also updates the current status to show me that I've signed off that form 1. Obviously there's a second signature required. Now I'm going to produce a PDF report which will contain my signature, but currently I'm working on a template. So if there is any changes, then I want the ability for my signature to be removed so that I have to re-sign it to confirm the changes that are made. So if I was to go and make a simple change, so I'm going to go into general settings and add a photograph of the part that we're manufacturing. So let me just go and add an example photo. I'm actually changing the report, so it's saying you made a change to this report, any signatures previously applied will be removed. So if I go back to the form 1, you can see that the signature has been dropped, and if I go back to current status you can see my name has now turned red to indicate that I did sign it but a change has been made. So in the next movie I'm going to show you ballooning the characteristics and completing form 3.